Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn. In this video, you will learn how to add appropriate icons in the slide at the KnowMore platform. Our task is to add appropriate icons to this slide while following all the guidelines. Let's see the guidelines about choosing the icons. Dotty dot is the first option and thin line icons like below are the second option. Alright, let's begin. First, let's delete these instructions and dummy icons from the slide. Then go to the slide template and clean the slide frame as we did before. Copy slide title from here and paste in its rightful place. Now copy this whole design from here and paste it into the slide frame. Now align left and fit it properly inside the slide frame. Do not fit it directly by stretching or shrinking the whole design like this. Instead, you should individually resize these shapes, then make 5 different groups and align them with the slide frame and then distribute them vertically. You can delete the slide frame now. Next, we will look for an icon for broadcasting on flaticon.com. Icons with the crown are premium icons. You have to buy them before you can use them. Here you have all kinds of icons, thin line, thick line, colored, but dotty dots are very few. So we will look for thin line icons only. You can use filters to narrow down your search result. Okay, we were looking for a thin line broadcasting icon. So I think this one will be okay. At the KnowMore platform, we need to use icons in SVG format only. So remember to download in SVG format only. Similarly, we will search for all other icons. After downloading all the required icons, let's insert the icon in the slide one by one. Here we need to decrease its size. You can do this by dragging this handle like this. An icon's width and height should always be equal, or in other words, you can't change an icon's aspect ratio because that's not acceptable at the KnowMore platform. That's why don't resize it using a side handle. Always do this by using the corner handle only. Let's see if it fits the icon placeholder properly. Here we need to decrease the size a little bit. Now it looks fine, just need to align it middle and center of the icon placeholder. Now one icon is in its right place. We will use this icon as a template for other icons. Let's make a copy of this icon and drag it here. Now insert the next icon and resize it using this icon template as a reference. and place it in its right position. Repeat this step for the remaining icons also. In the end, delete the template icon. Finally, align these text left and the icon's task is completed.